While this market is flat as attack, I'm still going to give you my cherry ripe, my wonder watch, and my danger zone on the charts. Altcoin Bible time. I could have chosen so many to be my danger zone today. The market's looking really, really sad. But I want to bring up BNB because it is just such a consequential crypto. If it goes down, a lot of other things are going to just get smashed. And then there comes call and question the stability of Binance, the exchange as well. But just looking at it here, just don't like how this is positioned here. This looks very sad, tired. The momentum is waning. No volumes coming in. The bounces are getting weaker. We're sitting on a core level of support here. And I think this does crack to the downside. It doesn't look good at all. It's underneath moving averages, just starting to creep down. Anything below that 230 range, we're going to start testing out these levels here as well. You can see the RSI trailing off. So there's absolutely my danger zone under that 232 range. Watch this like a hawk. SHIB could have easily put this as my danger zone, but I've got it as a one to watch because I think it is exactly that. It is one to watch. We've got the Shibarium layer 2 coming out sometime this week, I believe. So it's got that fundamental catalyst. I really did not like this second peak that came up here while the RSI was actually lower on the momentum scale. So that gives me a clear, strong bearish divergence, but you just never know. You don't want to, get into a short position too early or think it's going to roll over, too soon because it could have another pump and give you a third peak. But I don't like what's happening here. If it doesn't close above this 50 moving average on the 4 hour and start to climb back above into this level, you can see it's broken down clearly from this triangle. Just don't really like this setup, but it is one to watch because the RSI and stock RSI is approaching those lower levels. You just don't know whether this is going to crack through. But if we keep getting rejected here, SHIB's going down. Again, guys, hard to pick a cherry ripe for this week because everything looks a little bit sad, flat as a pancake. But Ethereum just grabs my attention time again. Second largest crypto by market cap. I consider it quite a low risk option as well. And it just hasn't really broken down, continues to make those higher lows. As you know, I keep saying about Ethereum. So in these types of downward pressure and that low volatility, you just got to look at the big boys, the big pairs. It's holding up really, really well here. If it breaks down, I'm looking for opportunities. But right now, I think this is one of the safer options you look at. It gets above that 1890 level and you know it's go time. So right now, stuck in no man's land, but looking a lot better than a lot of the other cryptos. So it is my cherry ripe for this week.